everyone, welcome back. I am doing my final project for Kitaholic Kits for the month of June. And I am doing another 12 by 12 layout, which I think is the first month ever that I'm doing mostly 12 by 12 layouts. Usually I change it up a bit, but I was just really inspired to do 12 by 12 using these papers from Cocoa Vanilla, and I couldn't help myself. Now I am, as you'll see in this particular layout, I really just wanted to focus on the photo, and I had a lot of little scraps left from my from the kit. So I'd used a lot of the 12 by 12 papers already, and I had a lot of scraps left. So I really wanted to just get little peekaboos of that sort of surrounding color and to complement the photo rather than focus on the story or the products. And also I kind of wanted to just be a bit easier and more simple with this layout. By the time I was filming this, I had filmed like 3 very technically challenging and involved layouts, and I just realized like I just want something easy. I want to go for the road more often traveled and just create a beautiful cluster of papers behind a big photo. Well, it's actually a 5 by 7 photo, and stick it in the middle of a cute paper that I really liked, and add a title and add some journaling, maybe some floral classics, and be done with it. Like, I didn't want to think too much at this point in time. And yeah, just, you know, when you have that sort of decision fatigue when it comes to your layouts, and you just kind of realize I need to take a bit of a break and do something a bit easier. So this is, I can imagine that this is the kind of layout that I've done many times before. Other people have done many times before as well, but I still love it. And I love the story. The story is all about how my daughter just fit into holiday life very easily. Like, Emma was born to be a traveler, I think, because this was taken on like our second or first day even when we were in Bali, and she's just at leisure, having already bought herself some beautiful clothes. Well, I bought it for her obviously, but she picked it, and she just wanted to swim, always just asking for swimming. And so I'm using the photo, I'm adding the titles, which is Radiant and Sweet, because she looked so radiant in her like holiday gear, and it was just like a very sweet time. And then I'm just adding 2 clusters of these little die cuts to create a diagonal, which I do a lot. So I'm using the Yay and Fun and those little tickets from the kind of ephemera die cut pack, and then the 2 flower clusters from the flower die cut pack that we got. So it's really exciting that we got both this month in the kit, because I love them. Now, moving forward, what are we doing now? Oh, I am going to add another little sprig here. Again, you can see it creates a bit of a diagonal. If I were to redo it, I would just take that sprig on the top left hand, and I would just make it a bit more diagonal than upright, but honestly, it doesn't really matter. Now I'm going to add my journaling, because I actually left some white space. Oh my goodness. And I'm just popping it there underneath where it says Radiant. And I'm just writing about what I just told you about. And I'm going to add the date directly underneath. And this layout will be done. It is pretty straightforward. Like I said, it's easy. I wanted a beautiful, colorful, poppy layout that focused on the photo and the story, and I didn't want to think too much, and I think I achieved that, and I think it looks really beautiful at the end. Anyway, so thank you very much for joining me, guys. I really appreciate it. I will see you next month with another kit and to show off some more beautiful papers and products. See ya. Bye.